We must drive that vicious sharp tooth out of the Great Valley!
Hapana!
No! Oh, darn.
Save Chomper! But we cannot stop that herd! Oh, no!
We could end up...
So, bring him on!
Easy, Bonga.
But we gotta try! Petrie, fly up and see where they are!
Come on, you guys, get on! Get on!
Kion?
Right.
Oh, no!
Affirmative.
Come on.
I gotta go. Katie, you're...
Come on! Here we go!
Uh-oh. Okay, let's go!
Come on! We have to find... We better hurry! Till the Pride Lands end!
Lion Guard defend!
Hi, kids. Come on, let's go.
Oh no! They're trapped!
Let's rope him! Let's cage him! Whoa!
Please, don't hurt me.
A talking sharp tooth? I've never heard of such a thing.
Besides,
This
who's
can't
gonna
be
be
that
there?
me.
He's a sharp tooth! Who cares if he talks? Let's get rid of him!
I suppose we must.
Hold on! Wait! Chomper's our friend. He lives here. And he would never hurt any of us.
Nonsense. All hunters are dangerous.
I know, but not all things are like... Some of them are good. One of them.
But he was chasing you. You were calling for help.
They wanted to show me that all of Red's stories were made up.
Stories? What stories?
He kept telling me that he saved his herd from many sharp teeth before we met them.
Rhett, come forward.
Yes?
Did you make up stories to fool these children?
It's okay, Red.
Yes, I did. I'm sorry.
Little ones, this is very serious. Did you see what happened when you tried to fool each other?
Yes, I guess so.
You may have wanted it to be a joke, but a sharp tooth attack is no laughing matter.
We're all really sorry, old one.
And as for you,
Yes.
I don't know how you became friends with so many here in the Great Valley. But I think it's good. Longnecks, follow me!